Artificial intelligence and machine learning is now considered to be one of the biggest innovations since the microchip. AI and ML used to be a fanciful concept from science fiction, but now it's becoming a daily reality. The nearly limitless quantity of available data, affordable data storage, and the growth of less expensive and more powerful processing has propelled the growth of machine learning. So hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Now let's get bang on target on discussing the top 10 applications that are using machine learning in new and exciting ways. Starting off with number 10, product recommendations. Suppose let's assume you check a hotel to stay in Goa, but you do not book it then and there. The next day, while you're watching videos on YouTube, then suddenly out of nowhere, you see an ad for the same hotel or something similar to it. Next, when you switch to Facebook, you might again come across the same ad. So, how does all this happen? Is someone watching what you are searching? Well, this happens because Google tracks your search history and recommends ads based on what you have searched. Not only on Facebook or YouTube, but you will also get to see such similar product suggestions on e-commerce websites like Amazon and Flipkart. Using machine learning and artificial intelligence, websites track your behavior based on your previous purchase, your searching pattern, your cart history, and make recommendations accordingly. This advanced application of machine learning is one of the star features of almost every e-commerce website today. Next, on number 9, we have video surveillance. Video surveillance is one of the most advanced applications of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Videos give a better opportunity to fetch valuable information from automated surveillance devices when compared to any other source. This is possible because machines keep a better outlook for the objects when compared to human minds. Video surveillance is used for different purposes like keeping an eye on parking lots, tracking shopping patterns, performing traffic monitoring, detecting abnormal events, performing facility protections, etc. Surveillance footages are the best machine learning datasets because of their accuracy, but these footages are difficult to obtain. Thus, training the object detector comes into existence so that these objects can easily recognize the targets from the normal images. Next, on number 8, we have language translation. Machine learning plays a significant role in translation of one language to another. We are amazed at how the websites can translate from one language to another effortlessly and give contextual meaning as well. The technology behind the translation tool is called machine translation. Machine translation has enabled the world to interact with people from all corners of the world. Without it, life wouldn't be easy as it is now. It has provided a sort of confidence to travelers and the business associates to safely venture into foreign lands with the conviction that the language will no longer be a barrier. Your model will need to be taught what you want it to learn. Feeding relevant back data will help the machine draw patterns and act accordingly. So it is imperative to provide relevant data and feed files to help the machine learn what it is expected to. In this case, with machine learning, it is what you want as a result depending on the contents of the files that are being recorded. At number 7, we have got Google Maps. Google Maps is probably the only app that we use whenever we require assistance in directions and traffic. Most of the times, we hear Google Maps say, despite heavy traffic, you are on the fastest route. So, how does Google Maps know that you are on the fastest route despite the traffic is high? So, it is based on multiple factors like how many people are currently using the services of Google Maps, historic data of that route, and some real time techniques. All such data is captured and stored by the application. By using this data, AI and ML algorithms make the right conclusions and give you the exact information. On number 6, we have online support using chatbots. When you use any application, say some banking app or some e-commerce apps like Amazon and Flipkart, you see an option called Chat with Us. So these are chatbots running on the concepts of machine learning. These bots can recognize the type of questions and accordingly give quick answers to resolve the query by extracting the right parameters. To give precise solutions, these bots use a technique called decision trees in machine learning. Depending upon the business models and the types of questions asked, the answers change. Thus, decision trees help the machine to learn quickly and satisfy the clients. If you want to learn decision trees, check my introduction to decision trees video where you can learn some basic stuff related to it. On number 5, we have sentiment analysis. Yes, you heard it right. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is a top-notch machine learning application that refers to sentiment classification, opinion mining, and analyzing emotions. For instance, if someone has written a review or email or any form of a document, a sentiment analyzer will instantly find out the actual thought and tone of the text. Machines groom themselves to analyze sentiments based on the words. They can identify if the words are said in positive, negative, or neutral notion. Also, they can define the magnitude of these words. With the help of the process called natural language processing, data miners automatically extract and conclude the opinion by analyzing both types of machine learning algorithms, supervised and unsupervised data. Companies that are dealing with customers use this model to improve customer experience based on the feedback. On number 4, we have got online streaming networks like Netflix and Amazon Prime. Online video apps like Netflix and Amazon Prime are the pioneers of the video streaming. Now, almost every TV channel is having its online video content streaming application that attracts viewers based on their personalized interests. How these apps have captured a mass audience is by using machine learning technique. The apps capture the data of users' activities like day and time of watching the content, type of content you prefer, browsing patterns, the trailers you watch, etc., and accordingly gush video suggestions. Based on these trends, machine learning frameworks and applications, businesses are able to engage their audience by providing quality streaming experience. Counting down to the top 3 entries in the list, at number 3 we have got self-driving cars. Well, here is one of the coolest application of machine learning. It's here and people are already using it. Machine learning plays a very important role in self-driving cars, and I'm sure you guys might have already heard about Tesla. The leader in this business, and their current artificial intelligence is driven by hardware manufacturer Nvidia, which is based on supervised learning algorithm. Nvidia stated that they didn't train their model to detect people or any object as such. It uses internal and external sensors which are a part of IoT. According to data gathered by McKinsey, the automotive data will hold a tremendous value of $750 billion. The model works on deep learning and it crowdsources data from all its vehicles and its drivers. Next, on number 2, we have got virtual personal assistants. Machine learning VPA is among the most popular examples of machine learning applications. With the surge in smart devices usage, machines are becoming smarter in adopting human behaviors. Have you asked Google Assistant to wake you up at 6 am? Or have you commanded Siri to navigate to your favorite restaurant? Yes, you are getting it right. These are all examples of machine learning, from turning on smart applications to booking an Uber on command. It is all revolving around machine learning algorithms. And finally, our number 1 is social media. When you're about to tag someone on Facebook, even before mentioning the name of the person in the image, Facebook gives you a suggestion, and 99.99% of the times it gives the right name. So how does Facebook know the name of the person that you're about to tag in the image? Yes, you're correct. It is possible, and the credit goes to machine learning. This is just a small part of big data machine learning. AI and ML give the exact insights based on the data collected. By implementing machine learning, marketers get insights on how to boost the open rate of email marketing, which campaigns have really done well and why could they do so, how do clients feel when they purchase any product, what kind of content users prefer to read or watch depending upon their age, location, and gender, which is the best time to schedule a campaign or a post. Such crucial information helps businesses to multiply their sales volumes through social media. That's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Until then, happy learning.